Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we are doing another gun review. Today we're doing the Volcanic pistol. So, this thing, which it's probably the ugliest gun in the game in my opinion. It just looks horrible. Got this cool variant, if you like that. Not too expensive, only $500. The gun itself is only $270, which means you would pay more for the variant than you did the gun. But you unlock it at level 21. It's just really ugly. It's the cheapest pistol in the pistol category. So you have that. And it's first in damage, obviously, because none of the pistols are really too good at damage. We're just doing it in the pistol category, though. So that's why I'm doing. It's second in range, which actually surprised me, because I thought it had good range. It's tied first in accuracy, so that's pretty good, you know, a very accurate weapon. Weirdly, I thought that the semi would be more accurate, but it's not. But, you know, it's third in fire rate, obviously, and second in reload speed, which very much surprised me. You know, it's an ugly gun in my opinion. I wouldn't exactly recommend you buy it, but if you want it, there's no reason not to grab it, because it's the most damaging pistol. And in my opinion, it pairs well with some nice revolvers. It's just like, it's a pretty good gun. So just buy it your own want. If you like the way it looks, you like the way it sounds, you probably buy it. Because it can kill a player. See y'all next time. Goodbye.
You wanna dance?